Hey, what's up guys, welcome back again to my channel, and in this video we have the Xiaomi earbuds, the perfect wireless earbuds that delivers a high quality sound for just a cheap price of definitely under 25 bucks on most of online stores. So in this video I'll be sharing with you my usage experience on the Mi earbuds. So without further ado guys, let's get started. So the first thing I've noticed when I just got my hands on the Mi Airdots is that the case looks really nice, and it just fits well in my pocket as many other cases does. And also the earbuds themselves are really well designed to fit well in your ears, and they don't fall out easily when you're using them in your normal daily activity. So when you look at the case of the Mi Airdot, we have the charging port at the outside, Redmi branding on the upper side of the opening case. So and then we have the Airdots themselves inside the case. And when it comes to audio quality, the Mi Airdots just delivers a high quality audio experience that you can't compare it with its price. The bass is just amazing, and even without the equalizer on your music player, and when you just turn on the equalizer on your smartphone, and we are talking about another level experience. So the Mi Airdots, the price starts about $19 up to $23 on many of online store. So the Mi Airdots gives you the overall control of the media being played on your smartphone for just using these buttons on the sides of the Airdots. You have just to press once to pause or play the music, and hold the buttons on the left earbud and the right earbud to turn them on when you just take them off from the case, and also press double to open Google Voice Assistant on your smartphone. So the Xiaomi Airdots does not come with an active noise cancellation, but that's not the case, as they fit very tight and well on your ears, so that in such a way that you can't hear any outside noise while playing your music, and that's really cool. And without going any further guys, a subscribe to the channel will be appreciated, and like this video if you feel enjoying. So guys, when it comes to battery life, the Mi Airdots stays with a charge for about 3 up to 4 hours when you're playing with a full sound, and 5 up to 6 hours for normal sound playing. And when it just went off charge, you can just return them to this case, and they can be charged for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And this case right here can just charge the Airdot for 3 times fully, and the case itself can be charged for about 5 up to 6 hours. So now guys, lastly let's talk about on how you can connect these earbuds with your smartphone. First, turn on Bluetooth connection on a device, and then turn these earbuds on by clicking on this button right here, and then you'll see they appear on your smartphone as Redmi Airdots R for the right one and Redmi Airdots L for the left one. Click on the Redmi Airdots R as it is the main one and controls the other Airdot. And also after connected, you'll be able to hear the sound from both of these Airdots, and then that's been it. Either way guys, thanks for watching, and a subscribe to the channel will be appreciated, as it means a lot to me and motivates me to bring amazing videos like this one. So don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.